Welcome back. Today I'm going to make a strawberry tiramisu. Please like and subscribe at the bottom and then I'll tell you how to make it. This is a beautiful dessert. It's not as heavy as the coffee one that you normally have because it's got fruit in it. Now I've used strawberries because they were what were in the shop now, but you could put pineapple in it or raspberries, it's up to you. This is 500 grams of strawberries. There's 500 grams here of ready-made custard, 20 ml of apple juice, and those are those little cartons that you buy for your children. You need 6 tablespoons of white rum, 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, a packet of these lovely ladies' fingers or sponge fingers, some caster sugar, save some of your chopped strawberries for decoration, 3 tablespoons of cream, and Amaretti biscuits. These come wrapped in little tissue bits, but you need to crush these. I just stick them in a plastic bag and mash them with a rolling pin. Very satisfying. Now, in a big bowl, we're going to put the custard. It makes a lovely sloppy noise as it goes in. I love custard. Mascarpone cheese, the cream, the 3 tablespoons of caster sugar, and we're going to need 1 tablespoon of the rum. Now in total you use 6. But you put 1 tablespoon of the rum into the custard mixture. You want to put nearly all the Amaretti biscuits in. There are 15 crushed up here. You put nearly all of those in and you just save a few to go on top for decoration. With the strawberries we add a third. Add a third of strawberries to the custard because those are going to be part of your layers, and then you stir it together until it's all mixed. You want to break down the mascarpone and mix it in. I'm going to change spoons and use a metal spoon because it'll be easier to do it with the metal spoon. And just keep folding until everything is mixed. There we go, it's everything mixed. So isn't that simple? And that is basically the base for your pudding. When I make this, everybody loves it because it's so much lighter than a normal tiramisu. And I've even made it for birthday parties for my children instead of cake because they love it. It is so lovely, and you can use it any time of year depending on what fruits you want to put in it. Just be seasonal and experiment. The next thing, in a shallow bowl like this, is to just mix the apple juice with the remaining 5 tablespoons of the rum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next thing you need is a nice big bowl. Now this dessert serves about 8 people, depending on the portion sizes of course. You're going to get your biscuits and put them in the apple sauce, in the apple juice with the rum. And just let them soak a bit because you want them to soak up all this gorgeous appley rum mixture. And you can feel when they've gone because they go soft. And then we're going to put a layer of these biscuits in the bottom of our beautiful bowl. And I put, oops, one's broken. See, too soggy, but don't worry. The next thing we're going to do is sprinkle on some strawberries. There we go. Now these are going to be, you're going to have 3 layers of this. I'm just going to add a little bit of the sauce for that. And then on top of that now, oops, let's put it on the biscuits. I'm going to add a custard and cream cheese mixture. I'm going to spread some of that round, about a third. I spread this round. Oops, a bit more. It's a very big bowl, this. There. Now we need to do more biscuits. So put some in your sauce. Let them soak a bit. They begin to go soft. You can start lifting them out and using them to cover this layer of the custard. It smells gorgeous. All that rum. A few more. For each layer will depend on how many biscuits you use. It depends on the size and the shape of your bowl. It's up to you what sort of shape you've got. There we go. Oh gosh, I'm going to need some more on this layer. A couple more. Because of the fruit in this, it actually does make it far, far lighter than the coffee version. I'm going to add some more of the strawberries. Some more of the custard. Go. Enough. Spread it round, get it all covered and squidge it down a bit. There we go. And we do it again. More biscuits. Once you've got everything prepared, this is really quick and easy to get assembled. We start layering up again with the biscuits. I think we need some more. Oops. I want to try and soak up as much of this lovely juice that's in here as possible. There we go, it's nearly all gone now. Squidge the last one, and let's just pour that little bit of juice over these. It'll just add to the flavour. And we're going to start again. Strawberries. There's that one done. And then the remainder of the custard. It's such pretty colours as well. And this is such a favourite that it is such a shame not to share it with everybody, because I think it's just a wonderful, wonderful pudding. You can have it for barbecues in the summer. It's just wonderful. And also, you can make it the day before, because it needs to stand for at least 5 hours before you eat it. So to make it the day before, then it's all done. It's one less job you have to do when you have people round. So there we go. That's that done. And then it's all that's left is to decorate. Now you've got it all layered up, and you see all these layers, and it looks so pretty in a glass bowl. The next thing you want to do is to sprinkle on the remainder of the Amaretti biscuits. Aren't they lovely? They make a crunchy sound. It's a bit like snow actually when you walk on it, and it's just freshly laid and crisp and gorgeous before it gets ruined. There we go. And then we just get some strawberries. I just tend to just cut them in half, leave a bit of green on because the green looks really pretty against the red. There we go. Away. And that's it. That is my strawberry tiramisu. Now all you have to do is put it in the fridge, wait for 5 hours minimum, and then enjoy it. I hope you enjoy this. Please, again, like and subscribe at the bottom. Thank you.